Good morning, dear children. Children, today we are going to start chapter number 18th. This is the last chapter number 18th, Management of the Welfare State of Swaraj. So, all of you take out your EVs to test book and take out page number 70. Now, all of you look it in your books. This is a very easy chapter. Shivaji Maharaj struggled long against many unjust powers. Unjust powers means those who used to trouble. Unjust means they are not proper powers. Unjust powers. They were the Adil Shahi and Mughal powers, the Portuguese and the Siddhis of Zanjira. That is how an independent Hindvi Swaraj was created. Means after defeating all these unjust powers, wrong power, Shivaji Maharaj had successfully established Hindvi Swaraj. For smooth working, Shivaji Maharaj divided the administration into 8 departments. He appointed a minister in charge of each. This was his famous council of 8 ministers. The Swaraj of Shivaji Maharaj was a state run for the welfare of the people in the true sense of the term. It was run with the assistance of the 8 ministers. Shivaji Maharaj himself made the appointments of these 8 ministers and other important officers on the basis of their eligibility and merit. Means for the successful establishment administration of the Swaraj, Shivaji Maharaj had appointed 8 ministers according to their eligibility. He supervised all their work. Do you know? Food, clothing, and shelter are the basic necessities of life. In a welfare state, these needs of people are satisfied. Women are honored. Common people, peasants are not deceived. Deceived यानी फसाना, कोई उन्हें peasants यानी farmers, उन्हें कोई फसाता नहीं था. Injustice is not done to anyone. Justice is dispensed. Justice यानी dispense means it is done quickly. Agriculture and industries develop well. Folk arts flourish. People can live a happy, contented life. Means a normal, happy life they are able to live. They were able to live in Hindvi Swaraj. People lived happily in the Swaraj created by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Therefore, the qualities of confidence, self-respect and patriotism strongly emerge among the people of Maharashtra. See children, this is the council of 8 ministers. Here name of the ministers has been given, then designation. Designation means औहदा, हुद्दा और उनका डिपार्टमेंट क्या था. मोरो त्रिम्बक पिंगरे, he was pradhan and his department was administration. Ramchandra Nilkantha Muzumdar, he was amatya and his department was revenue and accounts of the state. Hamib Rao Mohite, he was Senapati and he will look after the Department of Defense. Moreshwar Pandit Rao, he was Pandit Rao, his designation was Pandit Rao and he will look after the Department of Religious Matters. Niraji Ravaji, he was Nyayadhish and he will look after the Department of Justice. Annaji Dato, he was Sachiv and he will look after the Department of Government Orders. Dattaji Trimbak Vaknis, he was Mantri and he will look after the department relating to correspondence. Ramchandra Trimbak Dabir, he was Sumant and he will look after the department of foreign relations. Children, this you have to learn very carefully. This you have to learn. This is very important. Okay. Then here you can see the picture. This has been given in your textbook also. Shivaji distributing pairs of oxen and other basic necessities to the farmers. Protection of environment. Natural environment includes the land in nature as also factors like air, rain, rivers and streams, seas, forests, the birds and animals, light received from the sun, etc. It is beneficial for man to make use of this environment only to meet his necessities. Means Shivaji Maharaj उनका कहना था कि जो नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट, नेचुरल सोर्सेस हमें जो मिला है वो हमने सिर्फ हमारे बेसिक नेसेसिटीज़ फॉलो करने के लिए ही उसका यूज़ करना चाहिए, उसका मिसयूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए. Shivaji Maharaj took precautions to avoid the destruction of these environmental factors. Shivaji Maharaj saw to it that the forest in his kingdom would not be destroyed by the people. From the royal edict, we can see that he had issued many orders like the following. For the navy, it is necessary to build boats and ships of various sizes and their beams, masts, oars, etc. for which wood is required. See, for navy purpose, अगर हमें उन्हें शिप बनानी पड़ती थी तो उसके लिए तो उन्हें वुड चाहिए रहता है. तो वुड कहाँ से मिलेगा? इट विल बी कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम द ट्रीज. लेकिन फिर उसके लिए कौन से झाड़ काटने हैं? सब झाड़ काटने हैं क्या? नहीं. To obtain this wood, only teak trees. कौन सी trees? Teak trees. Teak. Teak. This is very important, children. You might get a question relating to this in the exam. To obtain this wood, only teak trees should be cut. कौन सी trees cut होते थे? Teak. 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 If more teak wood is required, it should be purchased from foreign territories. But on no account should mango, jackfruit, or other trees be cut. They don't grow in a year or two. People look after them like their own children in order to grow them. Cutting them is to inflict sorrow on the people. It should not be done. Even when a tree is greatly worn out, मतलब वो गिरने की कंडीशन में है, तो at that time also it should be cut only after paying the owner and getting his consent. यानी जिसने लगाया है उसकी परमिशन लेके ही काम होगा. Protection of environment. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th June. See children, this is also very important. You might get a question in the exam. आपको इस पर एक क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे कब सेलिब्रेट होता है? सो इट इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 5th June. To emphasize the importance of conserving यानी protection, conserving and protecting the environment. Water management. Shivaji Maharaj had various bunds built near the villages in Swaraj to make drinking water available to the people. Canals were dug out to make water available for agriculture. Due to this, there was an increase in the produce. People in Swaraj never felt the severity of droughts. यानी उन्हें कभी अकाल यानी ऐसे ड्रॉट का सामना नहीं करना पड़ा. During the regime of Shivaji Maharaj, the number of people living on forts was quite large. Shivaji Maharaj took care to make proper arrangements for water on the forts. Before building a fort, the place was inspected to see whether enough water was available there. In case it didn't have water, tanks and reservoirs were built there before the onset of the rainy season and rainwater was stored in them. Means proper arrangements were taken for water management. The stored water was used economically, मतलब बचा बचा कर. Due to such water management, people on the forts and other subjects in Swaraj did not suffer from shortage of water even during drought periods. Shivaji Maharaj made arrangements for drinking water and irrigation by constructing bunds and canals. Here you can see in this picture. Then drought relief. शिवाजी महाराज गेव वेरियस फैसिलिटीज़ टू ड्रॉट अफेक्टेड पेजेंट्स. मतलब जहाँ पर अकाल पड़ा है, बारिश ही नहीं हुई है, उनको शिवाजी महाराज ने काफ़ी फैसिलिटीज़ दी. ही यूज्ड टू वेव टैक्स सो द सिवियरिटी ऑफ ड्रॉट वॉज रिड्यूस फॉर पीपल इन स्वराज. In a drought year, Shivaji Maharaj distributed the grain stored in the state granaries free of cost to the people. जब अकाल पड़ा तब उस साल शिवाजी महाराज ने सबको फ्री में अनाज दिया. He also undertook repairs of various forts and construction of dams, bunds and canals during drought years. This way, the peasants and artists or bolatedars could earn their daily living and did not feel the severity of drought. और उन्होंने क्या किया, वो इस पीरियड में कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम निकाला कि जिससे इन सब लोगों को काम मिले और वो अपनी रोजी रोटी कमा सके. As the peasants become wealthy, he could afford to buy things like footwear, clothes, etc. जब peasants के पास, शेतकरी ये जो लोग हैं, इनके पास पैसे आ गया तो वो क्या करेंगे, वो पैसा खर्च करेंगे, सब्जी लेंगे और कपड़े लेंगे और कुछ सामान लेंगे, तो उसकी वजह से और किसी और का इनकम होगा, है ना. This provided work to the artisans and those who were homeless till then developed the capacity to build their own houses. This in turn provided work to the masons यानी मिस्त्री. द कारपेंटर्स, द ब्लैक्समिथ्स, द ब्रिक मेकर्स, यानी और कुछ कुछ लोगों के पास पैसा आने के बाद उन्होंने क्या किया, खुद का घर बनाने के लिए वो रेडी हो गए। तो घर बनाने के लिए फिर उनको मिस्त्री लगेंगे, कारपेंटर्स लगेंगे, सब सामान लगेगा। तो सबको इन शॉर्ट कैसे हुआ, इट इज़ अ सर्कल, इट इज़ अ सर्कुलेटर रोटेटिंग मोशन है। सबको एक का एक्सपेंस है तो दूसरे का इनकम है, इससे सबको काम मिलने लगा। This is how, along with the peasants in Swaraj, artisans also become happy and wealthy. Then sea trade and markets. Shivaji Maharaj raised his own independent navy in order to protect his Swaraj well and to establish his rule over the sea adjoining Swaraj. But that was not all. He also had special cargo ships built to promote trade in Swaraj. He developed trade ports like Rajapur. He built a special market on Raigad. He started a separate marketplace at Khed, Shivapur near Pune. He developed marketplaces in big towns and roadside villages. A new pate or a settlement was established at Pashan near Pune by the order of Veer Mata Jizabai. It was referred to as Jizapur. यानी शिवाजी महाराज ने सी ट्रेड, यानी सी में बिजनेस, सी ट्रेड मीन्स बिजनेस, इसे भी उन्होंने प्रमोट किया। Shivaji Maharaj levied more taxes on goods imported from outside region to promote trade within स्वराज। और शिवाजी महाराज ने क्या किया, जो गुड्स बाहर से आते थे, बाहर यानी स्वराज में नहीं बनते थे, बाहर से आते थे, उन पर उन्होंने बहुत टैक्स लगाए। क्यों? क्योंकि उनका कहना था कि हमने अपना बनाया हुआ, अपना प्रोडक्शन, अपना बनाया हुआ चीज़ों को खरीदना चाहिए, महंगी चीज़ें खरीदने के लिए कोई जाएगा नहीं। इसलिए इससे क्या होगा, स्वराज में जो चीज़ें हैं वो इजीली बिकेगी। अगर बाहर से आने वाली चीज़ें पर वो ज़्यादा टैक्स लगाएंगे तो वो चीज़ें महंगी हो जाएगी। Shivaji Maharaj levied more taxes on goods imported from the outside regions to promote trade within Swaraj. He levied more taxes on salt produced in the Portuguese territory, which made it costlier. On the other hand, he reduced the tax on the salt produced in Swaraj so that people could buy it at a cheaper rate. Naturally, it led to an increase in the trade of salt produced in Swaraj. Thus, local trade was encouraged. और शिवाजी महाराज के ये गाइडलाइन, इससे क्या हुआ कि लोगों ने स्वराज में बनाया हुआ चीज़ें खरीदना स्टार्ट किया और वहाँ का मार्केट फ्लरिश हुआ। Okay children, we'll stop here. I will continue the remaining part chapter explanation in the next